Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is video number 3 of 5. If you didn't already know, every single day this week, Monday through to Friday at 6 p.m. or another time in your time zone, I am uploading a brand new video to my YouTube channel where I'm testing out bikinis and swimsuits from across the web, from different websites where they sell kind of cheaper bikinis to see how good they are. But today's video is super exciting because I'm going to be testing out the website Wish, which I have looked at before, I have bought from before. In fact, I did a whole weekly series on, so if you haven't seen that, I'll leave that in the clickable I button for you. But we're testing bikinis and swimsuits from Wish, and not one of these was over £5, which I think translates to about $7 if you are in the US. So super inexpensive. We're gonna see if we got our money's worth. We're gonna see how good they are. But before I do get started, make sure if you haven't already, you go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the little bell, make sure it is turned on so that you get notified every single time I upload videos. And failing that, because sometimes YouTube notifications fail, make sure you go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram. My username is @Jazzybum. I always upload to my stories letting you know when I'm posting videos, showing you behind the scenes, and so on and so forth. So, without further ado, I have my little box of Wish goodies. As you can see, they're all in individual little baggies, and I have opened the little bags just to make sure that what's inside is a bikini, but I haven't actually opened the bags inside the bag. So I haven't opened this. I don't know what it looks like. As you can see, it looks nice and colourful, and we may as well try this one on first. Okay, so this is the bikini. It's so pretty. I bloomin' love these colours. Oh my goodness. Okay, in love with the pattern. Pants look and feel pretty good. The top looks like, oh, it's tangled. The top looks like this. It looks like it will be pretty nice, although it does look like I'm going to struggle getting this on. I don't know how this works. I'm already confused. Look at this pattern, it's so pretty. Okay, love this bikini a lot more than I thought I would. This pattern is so pretty. I really bloomin' love it. The pants are really nice and comfortable. There's no wedgie going on at the back, so I'm very happy about that. This top is nice and comfortable. However, the back and the straps are a little bit weird. So basically, I just put it on and then pulled these straps tight and tied it in a knot and hoped for the best. But there definitely is a technique, because these two straps are tight and these two straps are loose. So I need to work out which ties to, I look like I'm milking a cow. I need to work out which straps to pull tight and which ones to loosen a bit, because the straps definitely feel a little bit uneven. But I really like this bikini. It's a win. It's a success. Ooh, this one looks super bright. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, oh, this isn't a bikini, this is a swimming costume, and it has these really pretty little straps on the back, which make it look so nice. It is a bit dirty. That's not what you want from a swimming costume. It's a little bit dirty. Can you see all of this dirt all along here? That's really gross. It's actually in the bum section as well, so that's really yummy. Ew, gross! That's really great, and I'm gonna quickly go wash my hands because I'm not a fan. Okay, this was a struggle to get into. I managed to get in. I had to climb my way and wiggle my bum through these straps because they don't open very much because they're like tied up here. Can you see that? They're like tied, so I couldn't undo them to get them over my bum. I just had to hope they wouldn't rip. But it's on now. It looks like a pretty average swimming costume. I don't think it looks bad. I don't think anything bad of it. It's quite nice. It's quite comfortable. Little tight maybe. Maybe I should have gone one size bigger, although I do think this was a large, so. And then this is what it looks like from the back. So it is a pretty nice swimming costume. It's just not the most comfortable with these straps because I do think it's a little bit small, but yeah, not bad. Okay, next bikini. Okay, this one looks cute. It's got a really nice little frill, but I'm pretty sure that this looked a different color online. Yeah, okay, I've just pulled it up. Online, it looks gray and pink. This looked a lot more grey and pink as opposed to blue and pink, but oh well. It's a really simple tie-up bikini with a gorgeous frill detail at the front, and then the pants look like this with little strappy details on, possibly TMI, but the hygiene pad in here is literally at the front. It's not where a hygiene pad should sit. That's what I'll say. It's not where it should sit, it's like at the front. Doesn't really make sense, but I've got this bikini, we'll see what it looks like on. This is what the bikini looks like on. I don't really have too much to say about this bikini. It's comfortable and it looks how it should look. I like the colours, I like the fit. It is completely adjustable, so I've just tied the ties to make it fit me. I do have little nude underwear on underneath, so that's what you can possibly see through, but the pants are comfortable, it's a nice material, it's not too revealing because it's got this nice little ruffle. So yeah, I like the bikini, it's nice. I don't think I like the shape of this one little bit. I will try it on, but I'm instantly in dislike of this. I don't even think that's English. I'm instantly not a fan of this swimming costume. I don't really want to try it on, but we'll give it a go. As suspected, I do not like this swimming costume. I literally cannot move my hands because my nunny will be on show. It's so high-rise that I have nothing really to say about this swim costume, aside from the fact that I don't like it. I'm going to take it off now, so yeah. This next one I remember is a swimming costume, but I've forgotten what I had written on the front of it because there was quite a few options. And I'm pretty sure it's got a word on the front, but I've forgotten what it is. What does it say? Sun's out, buns out! Yes, okay, this is really cute, but also the thinnest, poorest quality swimming costume. This doesn't look great. This is possibly one of the worst made swimming costumes I'm going to try on. It is ridiculously thin, ridiculously so. It feels like, I don't even know, it doesn't feel like swimming costume material really. I mean, it's nice and stretchy, but it's really, really thin. These seams don't look the best. They're kind of all crooked and it's not even hanging nicely on my hands. Maybe when I try it on, it might hang nicely, but I think this may be one of the worst. Doesn't cover me at the front, definitely got a wedgie at the back, and my nipples do stick out in this swimming costume. So this one is a huge no. I would never leave the house in it. And if you are that confident, then that is great. But it is very, very thin, just not the nicest shape, and it doesn't conceal very much. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. When I was browsing the Wish website for normal swimming costumes and bikinis, a couple of these swimming costumes came up and they look really fun. So I thought I'd buy a couple. They weren't £5. I'm pretty sure they were, well, this one was £9. And they're basically high neck swimming costumes with long sleeves. I thought I would try one on just to see if it fits and what it feels like, because I thought it would be fun. So I got this one and I also got this one. So we're gonna try these on, see what they're like. Okay, it's official. I never want to wear a normal swimming costume or bikini again. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. I'm actually kind of obsessed with this. To some of you, this may look really weird. To me, I'm like, yes, look at me. I'm so nice and covered. I can go swimming and I don't have to worry about things falling off of me. I can go surfing and my tummy won't get scratched and my arms are fine. And I'd get very odd tan lines, granted, but I'd get some cute looking photos. Look at this. This is just a whole new thing. You got a little zippy bit here that you can open and close. We won't go that low down. I like this. I like this a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and say this is my favorite, like ever. I just feel so great in it. It's like I'm wearing clothes, but the material of it is swimming costume material, and it's not like super huggy and super thick like a wetsuit. It's just a nice, comfortable swimming costume. I feel like I just want to go swimming in it just for the fun of it, just to see what looks I get when I show up to the pool, like, hey guys, look at my costume. Look at the pattern and the colours. Just, it's my new swimming costume. It's just my new thing. swimming costumes with sleeves. It's a great idea. I don't know who invented it, but I just feel great. I don't know why. I think I just feel a lot more confident when I'm all covered up and I'm like, yes, I can move around and not worry about things going places or being on show, or I don't know. I'm a big fan of the swimming costume with the sleeves and stuff. And also, this is really, really soft and I just want to stand and do this all day. Yummy, yummy tummy. Okay, so that is it for all of the Wish bikinis. Let me know in the comments what you thought of all of them. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you're notified tomorrow when I upload. And I will see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Bye.